Hello everyone, this is the old pro from the Audubon. Hope everybody's trying to stay safe and they're doing their social distancing. This COVID-19 really put a damper on everything, but today we got a BMW 545i. And one of the guys at the shop here picked it up for real cheap. It's in immaculate condition, but it has very bad misfire, random misfire. And as a rule of thumb, every BMW that I get in the shop with random misfire, one of my first things I always do is to smoke it. So we smoked this car, and when we smoked the car, we found out that the crankshaft seal was leaking real bad. This seal was just dangling inside of on the crankshaft, just dangling like it wasn't even fitting in. So we replaced the seal, then we smoked it again before we started. Upon smoking it again, I found a bunch of leaks on this one here. This guy is leaking everywhere. First leak is coming from right there. If you can see, right there, it's the crankshaft adjuster seal. Then over here, if you look right here, the valve cover gaskets. Then if you look down here, you can see the camshaft adjuster seal is leaking right there. See it? Keep puffing right there. Now all this will cause crazy misfire on these cars. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change these valve cover gaskets and these camshaft adjusting seal, and it's a pretty decent sized job. It's not that easy. You gotta be good with tools and stuff if you're trying to do a DIY at home. So here you go, boys and girls. There will be a part 2 to this video, and we'll go from there. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that bell so this channel can grow. And we'll catch you on the next video. All right, guys? Give you a quick look at the 545 here. Nice car, very clean inside and outside. That's a lot of smoking. Yep, very clean car, one owner. Guy didn't want to part with it, but it was just sitting in his yard for the last 2 years. It's not running, so. Again, guys, don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.